Hi everyone, I am Anupam Dagar. Today I will be showing a new feature which is being added to Fossasia's event here. This feature makes user experience over the mobile while using Fossasia's event here much better. So let's get started. This feature is being added to browse events section of the event here. So while you're searching the event over a mobile device, now you can actually hide the map if you want to. So this is actually a view of a Pixel device, which is an Android device. So by default the map is being visible, and now actually you can even hide it as per your convenience by just clicking the hide map, and the maps just get hidden over it, and you can just go about using the platform as usual. If you want to use the map again, you can just click over the show map button again, and the map will come back as it was. So this was much about the feature of toggling the map while searching for the events. Thank you.